For question number 6, I have radicals on both sides of the equation. Now, there's really nothing outside of the radicals, so technically both radicals are already isolated. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to square both sides, and the squares eliminate the radicals, so essentially I'm just going to copy the inside of the radicals. And this is my equation that's left over. So now I can just solve this. I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides, and I have x plus 2 is equal to 3. Then I want to subtract 2 from both sides, and I have x is equal to 1. Now before I circle this, I want to check it. So on my y1 and y2, I'm typing in the left-hand side and the right-hand side of my equation. And then if I go to the table and type in 1, I get the same thing for y1 and y2. So I don't really care what these numbers are, as long as they're the same. So yes, 1 is my solution.